Hey y'all, Phantom finna show us his new car. AMPFANUM got a brand new whip. So let's see what it's, if it's bussin' or disgusting.
Hey, Fano.
Freeze, bro.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I put them flicks.
Is it a dub?
You ain't see the flicks?
Nah.
You ain't see the flicks?
Nah.
Go on the gram, bro. Go on
Nah.
the gram. Go on the gram, bro. Go on the gram.
Oh, wait, hold on. They said Kai posted.
Bro, we don't give a about that.
Both posted?
I don't care about the quality and stuff, you know, being messed up, because, you know, this not sell data.
What?
Unless I go in the house.
Oh my God,
Use
bro.
that Wi-Fi.
Hell no.
But come on now.
Nope.
Oh no, the lag is crazy. Oh, that was crazy. That might be my thumbnail right there.
Oh, I put them flicks. Hey, you ain't see the flicks?
Nah.
You ain't see the flicks?
Nah.
You ain't see the flicks?
Nah.
Go on the gram, bro. Go on
Nah.
the gram. Go on the gram, bro. Go on the gram.
Oh, wait, hold on. They said Kai posted.
Bro, we don't give a about that.
Both posted?
Go on the gram.
Okay. Okay, I'm on the ground. Oh my God, hold on. I gotta not look. I gotta look.
See,
Bro, what this nigga Phantom pop out with?
Alright.
See, I like the little. I'm gonna say it when it happens.
The year is Trump.
Yo, that means you just posted like 2 days ago and you posted again?
I did.
Damn.
Everybody's. Boys,
Nah, that's
what
Wham Boys, nigga. That's a W.
Nigga.
Come on, bro. Look, bro.
Wham
That's a tough
Boys.
play.
Go
That's
ahead,
a
bro.
really good play.
Go ahead, bro. Look. Keep
Yo.
going. Look, keep going though. Look.
Nah.
Look.
What the
I was dead, you were.
You're on bro.
I was dead.
This is a photo from your
You're
phone?
Look, I
on
was
bro.
dead though. Look, keep going.
No cow.
Look.
No
Then I had to
cow.
unleash
No
you.
kizzy. No kizzy in the Honda.
Okay.
Hold on, go ahead. M4s, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Hold on.
Yeah, from M4s. Yeah, to the
Yo, what the
I
fuck?
prayed for this, y'all.
Yes,
I prayed for this,
yeah.
Yo, that might be one of the coolest like rollouts I've seen on like
Yeah,
an
bro.
IG post. I swear to God,
Bro, like,
what the
Hey, that's
fuck?
some real
it just makes
shit.
It just
sense,
makes-
bro. It
Hey.
just makes sense.
Yo,
Hey.
from the bus to the, you still have this, right? You still have this,
Yes.
and now you got
Yes.
bro. Fan, first of all, I want to say I'm proud of you.
Bro, that's some real nigga activity.
Bro, what?
Oh,
And you still working, bro. You
Hey,
know
we
that, bro.
made
And you
it.
still working, bro.
Nah.
we up one.
Still working.